Hello friends, today we are discuss about ribosome, structure and function of ribosome. What is ribosome? Cells have tiny regular structures known as ribosome. Ribosome are the ribonucleoprotein particles. Ribosome serves as a workbench with mRNA acting as the blueprints in the process of protein synthesis. Discovery of ribosome. Palade was the first person to study ribosome in 1955. Types of ribosome. Matrix ribosome. This synthesis protein destined to remain within the cells. And second one is the plasma membrane ribosome. This makes protein for transport to the outside. Domains of ribosomes. There are two types of ribosome domains. Translational domains. The region responsible for the translation is called the translation domain. Both subunits contribute to the domain located in the upper half of the small unit and in the associated areas of the large subunits. Uh, Second one is exit domain. The growing peptide chain emerge from the large subunits and the exit domain. This is located on the side of the subunits. Dimension of ribosomes. Prokaryotic ribosomes are commonly called as 70s ribosomes. These have dimension about 14 to 15 nanometer by 20 nanometer, a molecular weight of approximately 2.7 million daltons, that is 2.7 into 10 to the power 6 daltons. These are constructed of 50th and 30th subunits. Structure of ribosome. Ribosomes are not bounded by membrane. Prokaryotic ribosomes are smaller, less dense than eukaryotic ribosomes. Ribosomes are composed of two subunits, each of which consists of protein and the type of RNA called ribosome RNA, that is rRNA. Ribosomal subunits. Each subunits are constructed from 1 to 2 rRNA molecules and many polypeptides. 30th is the smaller unit and 50th is the larger subunit. Seiberg unit. The S is the 70th and similar values stand for Seiberg unit. The faster a particle travel when centrifuge, the greater its Seiberg value or sedimentation coefficient. The sedimentation coefficient is the function of a particle molecule weight, volume and shape. Heavier and more compact particles normally have large Seiberg numbers or sediment faster. 30th subunit is the 30th subunit is smaller and has a molecular weight of 0.9 into 10 to the power 6 dalton. It is made up of 16 rRNA and 21 polypeptide chains. In this diagram, uh, we can we can show two subunit, that is two 30th, that is that the head part middle one is platform and the end is the base, that is small subunits. 50th subunit is the larger one and has molecular weight about 1.8 into 10 to the power 6 daltons. It consists 5s RNA, 23s rRNA and the 34 polypeptide chains. The head part is a central protuberance and middle was the stalk range, and they have two sides, front side and back side. Front side is ridge and back side is back. Is This is the large subunit of prokaryotic ribosome, that is 70s. Function of ribosome. They assembly amino acid for the specific proteins. Proteins are essential to carry circular activity. The process of production of protein, the deoxyribonucleic acid produce mRNA by the process of DNA transcription. The genetic message from the mRNA is translated into proteins during DNA translation. The sequence of protein assembly during the protein synthesis are specified by in the mRNA. In the cytoplasm, the two subunits of ribosome are bound around the polymers of mRNA. Proteins are they synthesized with the help of transfer RNA. I hope you guys understand.